There's something truly special about packing your gear, hopping on a bike, and heading into the wild with nothing but the open road ahead. But bike camping is no longer just tents and saddlebags. Today's bike camping inventions are smarter, lighter, and more futuristic than ever before. From transforming e-bike campers and amphibious bicycle RVs to ultralight bikepacking trailers and foldable mobile shelters, these innovations are changing the way adventurers explore the outdoors. Whether it's a weekend escape or a long-distance journey, these designs combine freedom, comfort, and cutting-edge engineering that feels straight out of the future. Get ready to discover 10 incredible bike inventions built for the ultimate camping adventure. Bitriton Z-Triton 2.0. The Bitriton Z-Triton 2.0 is one of the most extreme and futuristic bike camping inventions ever built, combining an electric trike, a mini camper, and a fully functional houseboat into a single adventure machine. Powered by a 1,100 to 1,500 watt electric propulsion system, it features pedal assist, a tri-wheel stability setup, hydraulic disc brakes, and a lithium-ion battery pack for long-range travel. On top, solar roof panels help extend its off-grid capability, making it ideal for remote exploration. Inside, it offers enough space for 2 people to sleep comfortably, turning it into a true floating mini-home. What makes it truly insane is its quick transformation from road mode to water mode in just minutes, perfect for explorers who want land and water freedom in one ride. The ready-to-use version starts at around €14,500, while a DIY kit is available for about €4,500. Space Camper e-bike. The Space Camper e-bike is a brilliant mix of a powerful cargo e-bike and a compact camper designed for modern bikepacking adventures. Built on the Reese and Muller Load 75 platform, it quickly transforms from an everyday electric cargo bike into a tiny mobile campsite on wheels. It features a fold-out sleeping bed, integrated table, weatherproof tarp shelter, smart cargo storage for camping gear, full suspension, and a powerful Bosch electric motor for smooth, long-distance rides. What makes it really special is how easily it switches from transport mode to full camping setup, making travel simple and flexible. Perfect for digital nomads and outdoor explorers, it delivers freedom without needing a bulky RV. Depending on configuration, the Space Camper e-bike starts around €8,999 to €9,549, offering a unique and practical way to explore the outdoors. Hoopy Trailer. The Hoopy Trailer is one of the most ambitious bike camping inventions ever created, turning an e-bike into a compact rolling micro-cabin. Designed in Finland by Urpo Myanmar, it features a rigid insulated shell with around 150 centimeters interior height, a foldable bed that converts into a bench, a small dinette space, interior lighting, and optional upgrades like a solar roof, fridge, and battery system for off-grid travel. Built for long-distance touring, it uses a strong aluminum frame and a universal e-bike hitch system for stability and compatibility. Weighing around 70 to 78 kilograms depending on setup, it focuses on comfort over ultralight travel. Pricing starts at around €5,900 to €9,000, making it a premium bike camping cabin for serious explorers. Road Snail Camper e-bike camper. The Road Snail Camper e-bike camper is one of the most innovative camping inventions designed for modern cyclists and outdoor adventurers. Built with a lightweight teardrop-style design, this compact camper trailer transforms a simple e-bike into a mini mobile campsite. It offers a cozy sleeping area for 2 adults, space for essential camping gear, insulated walls for comfort, and a waterproof exterior for all-weather adventures. The large panoramic front window creates an amazing outdoor view, while side ventilation windows improve airflow during overnight stays. Despite its compact size, the trailer is easy to tow and perfect for long-distance travel. Starting at around €3,800, the Road Snail Camper delivers a unique tiny RV experience for serious bike camping enthusiasts. Stroke Cargo Trike. The Stroke Cargo Trike is a bold rethinking of bike camping transport, designed for riders who want stability, high capacity, and futuristic engineering in one compact package. Built on a 3-wheel frame about 1.9 meters long and 0.6 meters wide, it features a central enclosed cargo trunk, carbon fiber leaf spring suspension, and an EAS assist system powered by a Shimano motor for smooth torque, even with heavy loads. One of its most impressive features is the tilting mechanism, which allows the trike to lean naturally in turns like a regular bike, improving both control and riding comfort. Designed in Japan, it feels more like a premium concept vehicle than a traditional cargo bike. With pricing starting around $5,000 to $7,000, the Stroke Cargo Trike delivers a futuristic and practical solution for serious bike camping explorers. Circle Transformer Bike. The Circle Transformer Bike is one of the most creative bike camping inventions ever designed, turning a simple bicycle into a complete micro campsite on wheels. Created by Bernhard Sabato, it features a circular frame design that integrates a fold-out bed, chair, and table system, along with storage space and a lightweight tent setup for overnight adventures. Built using a modular steel and aluminum structure, it also includes a cable-steered front system and a compact camping module weighing around 3.5 kilograms, still in prototype form. What makes it truly unique is how it transforms everyday cycling into a full living experience for short outdoor trips. Although not officially priced yet, estimates suggest a future cost of around 5,000 to 8,000 euros. It feels experimental, futuristic, and perfect for next-level bike camping explorers. Radical Design Cyclone 4. The Radical Design Cyclone 4 is a brilliantly engineered bike camping trailer that combines simplicity with serious hauling power for long-distance adventure riders. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame, it offers around 100 liters of cargo capacity, a quick-release wheel system, 16-inch smooth rolling hubs, and a waterproof carry bag to keep gear protected in all conditions. One of its most clever features is its ability to convert from a bike trailer into a portable luggage bag, making transport and storage incredibly convenient. On the road, it feels stable and easy to tow, even when fully loaded, which makes it ideal for demanding bikepacking routes. Depending on the version, it supports payloads of up to 40 to 50 kilograms. Priced around 599 to 700 euros, the Cyclone 4 is a premium, versatile solution built for serious adventure cyclists who value practicality and performance. Burley Coho XC. The Burley Coho XC is a rugged single-wheel bike camping trailer built for serious adventure riders who want to carry heavy gear off-road without sacrificing stability. Designed for tough trails and long bikepacking trips, it features a strong aluminum frame, a 16-inch wheel, coil spring suspension, a quick-release hitch system, and an adjustable kickstand that makes loading gear easy even on uneven ground. With a load capacity of around 70 pounds, it's built to handle real outdoor challenges. What makes it stand out is how smoothly it follows behind the bike, even on narrow and rough terrain, keeping balance and control on every ride. Priced around $520 to $550 depending on the region, the Burley Coho XC is a premium but highly durable choice for serious camping and adventure cyclists. Topeak Journey Trailer TX. The Topeak Journey Trailer TX is a solid and thoughtfully engineered bike camping invention built for riders who need to carry serious gear on long adventures. It features a lightweight yet durable aluminum frame, a 16-inch wheel, a quick-release hitch system, and a waterproof 65.3-liter dry bag for protecting essential camping equipment. With a strong load capacity of up to 32 kilograms, 70 pounds, it stays stable even when fully packed, making long-distance touring much easier and more comfortable. It also supports multiple bike setups, including through-axle systems, which adds extra versatility for different riders. What makes it stand out is its reliable and balanced performance on real-world terrain, even under heavy load. Priced around $450 to $500 depending on the retailer, the Topeak Journey Trailer TX is not flashy, but it's extremely practical, durable, and built for serious bike camping adventures. Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper. The Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper is a compact and clever trailer built for cyclists who want real overnight comfort without losing mobility. It features a lightweight fold-out frame, an integrated sleeping cabin, weather-resistant fabric, ventilation panels, and a fast setup design that transforms from trailer to tent in just minutes. Built for bikepacking, it provides enough space for one rider plus essential gear, while keeping a stable towing system for long rides. It uses a modular aluminum chassis with waterproof polyester for durability in all weather conditions. What makes it stand out is its quick transformation and practical design, making camping stops simple and efficient. Priced around $2,000 to $3,000, it's a minimal and reliable choice for solo adventure cyclists.